proud parent of two children who studied in Sophia School. And I am very glad that my children are studying here basically because of the foundation that they have given us. My mother actually, she's in engineering and she studied in Sophia School. Although actually Corona batch because of which they did not have exams. So she was one of the toppers there, but we were always scared when she goes to the world, what will her state be, where she actually stands ಅನ್ನೋದು ನಮಗೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಒಂದು ಯೋಚನೆ ಇತ್ತು. Each child has their own personality and quality. Actually, ನನ್ನ ಇಬ್ಬರು ಮಕ್ಕಳಲ್ಲೂ ಆ ವೇರಿಯೇಷನ್ ಇದೆ. ನನ್ನ ಮಗ is more into co-curricular activities, my daughter is a nerd. And I'm proud to say that in CUC she scored 97%. She was one of the toppers in her college where they felicitated her, and then finally she got into a very good college and she's doing well. Her and all the three toppers of who are in school are doing well now in PU. They have done really well. So the school has actually recognized the strength of every child ಅನ್ನೋದು ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ನನ್ನ ಮಗನೂ ಅಷ್ಟೇ, he is actually Vidrut, who was one of the compeers today. ಅವ್ರು ಹೋಗಿ ಅವ್ರ ಮಿಸ್ಗೆ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟೆಡ್ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್, ಐ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಡೂ ದಿಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ they have always been encouraging. And most importantly, ಈ ಸ್ಕೂಲಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಡೋ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಫೌಂಡೇಶನ್ ಅವ್ರ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ಗಿಂತ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ನಾವು ನೋಡಿರೋದು. ಎವ್ರಿ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ಗೂ ಕೂಡ ದೇ ಗೋ ಟು ದ ರೂಟ್ಸ್. See, I am a mother at home, but schoolally their teachers are their mothers, and they have proved it time and again. Yavaglu, the journey is not good. There are certain ups and there are certain downs. But downs iddagu kuda they have rectified, and one good thing that I have seen in Sophia School is that they never, if you go and complain anything alva, they will never hold a grudge. After a week, you have ask the child what happened, incident naditala andre. My son always says, Ma, don't tell anything about ma'am. That day it happened, and she teaches very well. My ma'am is very nice. Our purity on magu mansali baro change teachers school ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತರ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ something is right ಅಂತ ನನಗೆ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ. And they encourage them. ಬರೀ ಸ್ಟಡೀಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ನನ್ನ ಮಗಳು NCC ಇದ್ಲು, then she used to dance. She's done a junior in dance and in music as well. And school ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಆ event ಇದ್ರೆ they will recognize and take them in. And one small appreciation is a big boost to go forward in their interests or their strengths. So thanks, Sophia School. And Kannada sir, he is my daughter's favorite sir. Our Kannada actually PUC ಬೇಕಿಲ್ಲ. It's not important to get into professional colleges. But ನಮ್ಮ ಮಾತೃಭಾಷೆ ಅವಳು ಬರೆಯೋದು, ಅವಳು ಓದೋ ರೀತಿ, ಅವಳಿಗೆ it was extraordinary journey for her. Thank you.